My name is Steve Bunyard, and I'm the director of ReIGNITE Hope here in Gardena, California, is where our headquarters is. So ReIGNITE Hope started 12 years ago. We began on Skid Row up in Los Angeles. Our church was doing work up on Skid Row. I was actually on staff as the outreach pastor at the church. We were doing the normal Skid Row things, food and blankets and socks and shoes, but I could see that every time we went up there, it was the same people all the time, only the lines were getting longer. Yet I started praying, and the crazy idea of welding kept staying on my mind because I'd learned to weld when I was young. So we started with 5 homeless men in a little tiny room in the Fred Jordan Mission, and it just changed their lives. Everybody heard about it. Everybody wanted into the program. Our program's free. Our name ReIgnite Hope comes from the fact that we're mostly dealing with people who've lost hope. Yeah, our mission is pretty simple. It's to lead people vocationally toward a career and spiritually toward Christ. That's the 2 things we focus on. And we're now training hundreds of students a year through ReIgnite Hope. We're now in multiple locations across the country. It's just been so exciting to see how God has worked in this program and how their lives are so dramatically changed by finding safety in Christ, by surrendering their life to Him, and finding a real job, a real career. One of the cool things about welding is that you'll just continue to grow in your salary and your skills, and it can take you as far as you want it to go. Even different pathways within the welding career. You can become an inspector or go into sales or whatever it might be, teaching, whatever it might be. And so it's a real career for our students. Well, safety has always been really important to us right from the beginning. I wanted to really make sure that we always provided a safe and clean environment for our students. So lesson number 1 of every cohort of students is safety. Eye safety, lung safety, ear safety, skin safety, electrical safety, all of that. That's day 1. And we want the air to be healthy here for them to breathe. Welding creates fumes. There's no getting around that. And so fume extraction has been something we've done from the very first day. I was just absolutely amazed that Imperial wanted to donate a system to us. And that was such a blessing because we knew our system was mediocre at best. I mean, it was way better than nothing, but it was far from state of the art. And so when they donated the Shadow unit to our second 18-wheeler, it was such a blessing to get that. We couldn't have afforded to buy that, but the generosity of Imperial was incredible. And then I am just stunned by how well that thing works. I mean, the suction is amazing. It's going to filter the air much better than our system, which is good for the environment. It's quieter than our system. Everything about it is, and the filters are going to last a lot longer and all of that. So I just praise God for Imperial and their heart to help with this. And, I just never saw that coming.